Hey, welcome to Florida Beach Life. Today I'm over at Scooter's Fish House in Navarre, Florida. I'm going to go in here and see what kind of victuals they have. It's supposed to be some pretty good stuff. They got fried oysters, fried calamari, bang bang shrimp, bang bang chicken, all kinds of things. If you ever find yourself in Navarre, Florida, and you're looking for a good, small, quiet eatery, go into Scooter's and give them a try. Place your order when you come in the door, so you better know what you want. Pick it up here at the window. Alright, thank you so much. Looks fabulous. So here's Scooter's in Navarre, Florida. Alright, so I got the bang bang shrimp, the fried oysters, and the fried calamari. This is a fried calamari, piece of fried calamari right here. Looks pretty good. Looks like they battered it here themselves. I'll try a little cocktail sauce on that. Very good stuff. It doesn't taste, it's not rubbery or anything like that, like cheap calamari. I'm pretty sure they must batter this and fry it here, then cook it up here themselves, obviously. Here's a fried oyster, a little cocktail sauce. It's very good. The fried oyster is very good. It doesn't have a strong coppery flavor like some oysters do. It's very good. Bang bang shrimp here. It's got bang bang sauce on it. Makes it a little spicy, but it's not terribly hot or anything. Mighty good stuff. Comes with a couple of hush puppies. Looks like they've got some jalapeno going on. Well fried, not over fried, not greasy, not really greasy. You gotta watch deep frying stuff like this because it'll soak up too much grease. The middle of a lot of hush puppies are dense, but these at least are not dense. They're not packed like some of the ones you get. So they must, I'd say they make these themselves. Maybe they add a little beer or something to the batter to fluff them up, but they're not dense. That's good. That's a good hush puppy. There's some onion in there, and I think that might be some jalapeno, but it's not really hot or anything, so the kids wouldn't be put off by it. They're very good hush puppies. Now for the sides, I got the cucumber salad. You know, just cucumber and some vinegar. A bit of onion. And it's a cucumber salad, a little salt and pepper. Nice and fresh. Add some cool and crisp freshness to the dish. It's very good. Instead of the standard French fries, I got some baked beans. Baked beans, you can't go wrong with baked beans. Very good. You got some bacon in there, some green peppers, not dried out. Not too spicy or anything. Nice and freshly made. A little smoky flavor from the bacon. I recommend them. They're very good. As an add-on, I thought I would try their charbroiled oysters. This is probably, this stuff over here is probably horseradish. Yeah, that's nice. Not necessarily a great big fan of horseradish, but it's not really spicy or overpowering like some horseradish can be, so it's not bad. I'll put a little drizzle of lemon on here if I can get a hold of it. Drizzle of lemon, a little bit of cocktail sauce, or I don't know what this is. Ketchup. So this is make your own cocktail sauce. A little bit of horseradish in there. And let's see how this works here. Oh, it's already busted loose from the shell.
And there's some trash right there too. You make 2 trips that you need to make.
That's interesting. I think I'll just leave the horseradish and stuff off of it. It looks like they've got some seasoning on them already. They're not huge, but I will say I've had some huge oysters, and when they're real big, they just like a great big wad of nastiness. So I think I prefer smaller oysters myself. So there's one unadorned with anything except what it comes with out of the oven. They're lightly cooked. They have, I think they've got some Parmesan cheese and a little spice on them. But they're pretty good. They're not unpalatable like some people think oysters, raw oysters especially, are. These are quite good. Their topping on here is pretty tasty. I just got half a dozen. I don't think I'll have any leftovers of these. So if you've never had char-grilled oysters, you should give these a try. They're not dried out or anything like that. They're just they seasoned them, and that seems to have retained the moisture a good bit. They're not, like I said, they're just not dried out or anything. They're quite good. The Bang Bang shrimp is very good, very good. It's kind of like a honey flavored shrimp that I've gotten at the better Chinese restaurants, but with the Bang Bang shrimp, with the Bang Bang sauce on there. Very flavorful. Let's try a piece of calamari straight up with nothing on it. Calamari is very good. It's not tough or chewy, dense, anything like that. It's well battered and quite good. There's a fried oyster. Fried oysters are pretty much the best I've ever had. They're not really large oysters, so they cook well, and there's enough batter to go with the flesh of the oyster, so it's not like a soggy mess or anything. It's very good. I recommend the fried oysters. The calamari is great, and the Bang Bang shrimp is great. I have no problem with any of this. It's quite good. So if you're ever in the area of Navarre, Florida, and you can get by Scooter's Fish House. I highly recommend you stop in here. I don't believe you can go wrong with anything on the menu. You know, if you're down here in Florida and you want to go to a seafood restaurant that's not massively packed and loud and, you know, just a ton of people, this is a good place to come. I highly recommend Scooter's Fish House in Navarre, Florida.